Gatagati ka andu aria Gavana Gachagua orotete ni spika wa bunge iyo Mwangi Mugo akiuga ni akoretwo akienderera mwena umwe na agitikiria notithia ndereti iyo itamanio bunge wakiri a Gavana matariho.
And I'm saying it's being done in this Nyeri that way because the speaker himself is partisan, he is part of these proceedings, he is out to make sure that I'm impeached. That is why that denial happened yesterday.
Gachagua ni athire na mbere na kuga ati ni ehariirie kuneana mathaga ma utongoria wa kaunti kuri munini wake Samuel wa Maathai agoro mutaratara wothe wa kumuhagura ni ukuhituka na Ruto wa Vici.
And the game being played here is that if indeed you can succeed in the very unlikely event that you can succeed in impeaching Gachagua as governor of Nyeri, then he can be the governor of Nyeri. And he will tell us about it because I think people have been talking to him.
Ona kuri oguo ni ahiuhire kuga ati nake ni ehariirie kugerera njira ciothe cia gwetha kihoto na guthingata watho.
Yes, we will take full advantage of the law because the law is there to protect mischief and the kind of things that are happening in Nyeri. The law does not allow you to defranchise people.
Iguru ria ikinya ria njumbe ya bunge yo kurara bunge muthenya wa ira niguo kurokera ndereti ya kumuhagura. Gavana Gachagua augire ati njumbe acio mararugamirirwo ni muteti umwe wi hinya na uhoti munene wi Nairobi uria wamaguriire njohi cia makiria ma ciringi 100,000 iria maraire makinywa.
I once more want to send a message to this financier in Nairobi, this fellow who ran for the last senatorial elections and lost, that indeed, even if he has ambitions of becoming the governor of Nyeri, he is going about it the wrong way. You cannot spoil the same county where you want to come and be governor. You don't want to ruin Nyeri so that by the time you come, Nyeri is in tatters.
Munini wake Samuel wa Maathai augite ni ehariirie gutereva utongoria wa kaunti iyo akiuga kwaya gukinya handu meti githurano kinini gia kaunti.
I have been approached many times, come, let us sit, we make you the governor of Nyeri County. Today I tell them no, I am happy to serve as the deputy governor of Nyeri County, even after 2017. So these people should leave me alone.
Giikaro kiu kiuma na njumbe eritu gatagati ka MCA 46 wa kaunti iyo 32 nio maranyitire mbaru ndereti ya kuhagura Gachagua makimumendereria ni undu wa kuhuthira wabici ya muingi uru kuingirania na ungumania na wathani wa githuri. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Helen Maina.